Flight controls free and correct. PG set. Compass.
Gillespie Tower, request frequency change 43248.
Cherokee 248, frequency change approved, good day.
Frequency change is approved. Have a good day.
Oil temperature and pressure in the green. Suction's good. Positive charge. Drop in RPM with carb heat. Throttle back to idle. Carb heat. Okay, I think we're ready.
Gillespie Tower, could 3 Charlie switch to 27 right?
Cherokee 3 Charlie, change to runway 27 right, clear touch and go. Do you want right traffic after?
Sure, 3 Charlie.
Cherokee 3 Charlie, make right traffic after.
Right traffic after, 27 right, clear touch and go, 3 Charlie.
Gillespie Tower, Cessna 414, 9er uniform at 27 right. Left close traffic.
Cherokee 56 Charlie, contact ground, okay?
Contact ground 56 Charlie.
Cessna 414, 9er uniform, Gillespie Tower, hold short, runway 27 right, landing traffic.
Hold short, 27 right, landing traffic, 414, 9er uniform.
Cessna 49er uniform, make left close traffic, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff. 414, 9er uniform for left close traffic. All right, here we go. Airspeed alive. And rotate.
Cherokee 3, Charlie, runway 27 right, clear touch and go.
27 right, clear touch and go, 38 Charlie.
Cessna 49er uniform, runway 27 left, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go. 49er uniform. Ooh. Little bumpy today.
Gillespie Tower, Cherokee 8756 Charlie, holding short 27 left. Student pilot, request close pattern traffic. Full stop.
Cherokee 8756 Charlie, Gillespie Tower, hold short, runway 27 left, landing traffic.
Holding short 27 left, 56 Charlie.